Prius. Brand new. And we're removing the key. Fob, remote. One-handed, can't do it. Maybe. Let's try it. Nope. Remove valet key. Step 1. Step 2. Look closely. See that gap in between those two? That's where you want to pry. And the whole thing will pop open. You might be able to do it by hand. Oh, there you go. One-hander. Done. Can't be any easier. $24.50. Pop her out. You would have to. Wow, that's a pretty big battery. There you go. I don't have another one to put in, but this thing's brand new, so you don't need it. You don't need it. Just be careful with these. Let me try to slide this thing out. I think you got to slide this thing out. You can see the way it hooked in. All right, kind of a fight, but you can do it. I have faith in you. These little wings, one right there, and one on this side. They sort of fight you getting around. You see how they lock in place? So you have to pry these two back. This one a bit. Be careful. You don't want to break that. Carefully, Wesley, carefully. So, there you have it. Put it all back. Snap it right back on. Done. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.